All right, so multiple ways to create abstract background. Now, for me, was uh, Adobe Illustrator kind of confusing. Um, but you just have to practice, but then you'll start to learn. So my suggestion, my advice to you is to actually to watch tutorials, but don't actually follow up. Don't follow what they're doing. Just try to observe their information. So in this video, if you want to create some abstract, you can actually use this pencil tool. If you can't see the pencil tool and you see the shape builder, just right click and select pencil tool, or you can also press on your keyboard N, which is a faster way, is the shortcut. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna create some shapes, but it's really important to have an image in your mind that you're keeping, that you're thinking about while you're using the pencil tool. I mean, you can randomly create some shapes just to practice, which is totally fine. But yeah, depends now what you're going for. For me, I have some idea in my mind. I haven't tried this yet, but it's something that I hope is gonna turn and it's something nice. If not, it's just for practice and it's totally fine. Actually, not the last one. Now I can highlight all of them, and you can also press Ctrl plus Y, and now you will see all the shapes here. Paths we created, all the lines, the paths. And now if you want this to make this more to smooth this path, go to Object, Path, and Smooth. Okay, or if I go here, you can also click on Simplify. So let me select again, Path and Simplify, and that's another way. All right, and now I can select all the um, shapes, paths I have here. Control plus Y. Let me remove this, and now I can actually double click here in blend, and now I'll select simplified steps, and I'll go for 35, 34, 35, 45. It just depends. And now when I click on this, this is you should see here the effect. All right. And now we can actually click here on gradient, and we just can now add more. So we can quickly click on here. Now I have this pad here, which looks pretty nice. But if you want to make this look just different pretty much, what you can do, and what I like to do, is actually use this curver tool and create a path like this. And now I can select both, and I can go in Object, Blend, and here you can go and click on Resize. And now if you want to have this white here, that's an option there. If you don't want, just Control plus Z. And now we can also expand, which is not bad. And we can go now in blend, and here we can click on make and create these types of lines and paths. Should look nice. And I'm just gonna go back here and replace spine. You can create this these shapes. I mean, it looks pretty interesting. And now it depends on what you're going for, what you're trying to achieve. But if you just want to practice, that's great. Because from practicing and experimenting, that can lead to really nice results. So don't be afraid to just practice. You know, being in, improving is not about just trying to make everything look perfect. It's just experimenting and trying, with through trial, we can learn a lot. So yeah, just don't be afraid to try. All right, and now what can we do here? Maybe we can actually add a background. Okay. Maybe we can add it. We can actually now click on here, click on the selection tool or V. Now we can right click, and here we can select arrange and bring or send back. And now we have this nice background. If you want to cut this part so you don't see here, we can view, and here select trim view. All right, perfect. And now we can go back and select back again. So we also have this pad here. And how can we make this look better? Is actually you can also use simplify if you right click. If you want to just try see if you can turn that pad at something different. So that's absolutely a good idea.